Got a roofing problem? Palmer's Roofing and Repairs has got you covered. Whether you need a roof repair, metal roofing, or a complete roof replacement, we're the go-to experts in Cordeaux Heights, Farmborough Heights, Figtree, Mangerton, and Wollongong. Our team tackles everything from pesky leaks to full-on restorations, ensuring your home stays safe and dry. Offering emergency roof repair, inspections, and maintenance, we make sure your roof is always in top shape. Need waterproofing or flashing fixes? We're on it. Visit us online today.